How to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can send Bitcoin from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. Now, the process itself is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, in order to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to Trust Wallet, first you want to open up your Trust Wallet, and there you want to select a particular crypto that you wish to transfer to Trust Wallet. Now in this case, I'm showing you only the screenshots as the guide, so I'll be showing you through the Ethereum option here. However, if you want to send Bitcoin, you want to select the Bitcoin option and you want to copy its address that you'll get there. So in this case on the screen you can see it's Ethereum, but you want to select Bitcoin and you want to copy the Bitcoin address. As you can see here on the screen, you'll get the copy option. Once you copy it, you want to head into the Coinbase wallet and you want to tap on the arrow icon, the transfer icon at the bottom of the screen, and you want to select the option that says send crypto to another wallet. Once you select the option that says send crypto to another wallet, what you want to do is you want to select the particular asset that you wish to transfer. Right now, again, here you can see on the screen the Ethereum selected, but you want to select Coinbase since you want to transfer Coinbase. So once you select the Coinbase, it'll ask you to enter the amount or the value. You want to tap on continue, and then on the address page you want to copy the address that you copied from your Trust wallet, the Bitcoin one. So Bitcoin address, you want to copy it and you want to paste it here, and then tap on preview send, and then you want to review the send option, and then you want to simply tap on send now and you'll be able to send. So this way you can send Bitcoin from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. Hope you understood the process. It's the same that I showed you here with Ethereum, but that's how you can do with Bitcoin as well. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.